This is what you get.
Yeah.
Done.
What? I can't move. You said you would have. FunTV.
Hey guys! In the other episode, Game Master stole my iPad and he hacked my Roblox account. He also could have hacked my YouTube videos.
Good thing we still have his phone.
Yeah. Also, in the last episode, we received this box that we think's from Game Master.
Should we open it?
I don't know because it's from Game Master. And Game Master's really tricky. So I'm not sure. I'm still worried that it might be something bad.
When I bring this box in, I feel really tired.
I don't know if he put any poison in it.
Chloe, open it. It might be a good chance getting your iPad back.
Maybe, but it says to FunTV, dangerous if you dare open it.
Stay back. We have to be careful though.
Okay. What do you guys think's in there?
I'm not sure. I hope it's not poisonous.
Got it.
Stay back.
Huh?
Just get. It's just.
Huh?
Game Master.
What's this? It's the face of Game
scary.
Master. That must be probably a warning or something.
Here, let's pull it here.
Huh? What's this?
And what's this for? Here, you'll see.
I'll look at it in a second. Another mystery thing.
Huh? It's a bigger one. Is this smaller to bigger? Let's put it in the pattern. Let's see if anything happens.
Why do you guys think he sent these handcuffs?
Let me take a look at these pictures to see if there's any clues.
Okay, and I'll read the note.
Okay.
If you want your iPad and Roblox account back, you must lock... What? Why would I want to do that?
Huh?
Guys, the Game Master wants me to lock Kaycee in the backyard, but I can't do that.
Do what? Let me read it.
No, you can't.
Why not?
Because,
Just let me
it's secret.
read it. Just let me read it.
No. Kaycee, I have something I want to ask you.
What is it?
Do you want me to get my iPad back?
Yeah, that's why I'm here.
Will you do anything for me to get my iPad back?
Maybe.
Guys, what should I do?
What are these photos for? I don't know.
I have an idea. How about we use these pictures for the target outside?
Yeah, that's a great idea. So
Okay.
let's place it on.
Okay, guys, should I lock Kaycee up? I have to think about it first. Anyways, first I'm going to go practice with these guns and these targets.
Let's go outside and practice.
Okay,
Okay, but we still have to bring the Game Master.
okay. Let's put the things in.
Right cut. Wait, you don't need that.
Yes, I do. I really need it.
What is it for?
I can't tell you.
We're practicing targets. We don't need handcuffs.
I really need it.
For what?
It's a secret. Do you want me to get my iPad back?
What does this mean for your iPad back?
Something. Now let's go practice.
Seriously. Got the material.
Okay, now put the gear out.
Game Master. You said you need handcuffs? Okay.
Before we practice our target, let's go look for the Game Master and see if he's around our house.
Okay.
Let's be careful. Let's check in the house. If you guys see the Game Master, leave in the comments. Let's see if he's around.
Ice cream truck? No. was that you?
No. Where'd you hear it from?
Somewhere back there.
Okay, let's go check back there.
Is he here?
No. Is he there?
Is he there?
You scared me.
Huh?
What was that?
What? That wasn't me.
I know that wasn't you. Okay,
who could it
someone's
be?
here. I put Game Master's here.
Let's run faster. Is he?
He's probably not here.
Let's go practice.
Okay, let's go practice our target.
Yay! Chloe, what should we practice first?
Let me think. Hello, guys.
Oh.
What are you guys doing? Well, we're practicing our target so we can get Game Master.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. Can I try? Sure.
Yeah, but we're thinking of what we should do first.
Let's do boxing first.
Okay.
Game Master stole my iPad. Let's use him as a target.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Guys, we're gonna practice our target, and Game Master's gonna be a target since he took my iPad. Give back my iPad. I'll punch him. You know, great job, guys. Let's do it again. Go, Justin.
Hit?
Yes.
I'm bad at
3, 1,
I
2. I like the third one the best. Your turn. Kaycee's really good. Go, kick him in the face. 1, 2, 3.
I think Kaycee did the best.
Hey, you didn't see me yet. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Kaycee did the best. Let's get it together now. Let's beat him up. Let's all beat him up. This is what you get. You missed. Let's get him down.
Woo! We got him down!
Yeah, everyone beat him up. Next, we're gonna practice with our Nerf guns.
We have all these kittens, but there's Game Master. And especially we have to get him. He stole Chloe's iPad.
And these are Game Master's kittens, as we imagine.
Okay.
Seriously? Let's all shoot. 3, 2, 1.
Mine went the furthest! Mine went the furthest!
Yeah.
Great job! But we still don't get your iPad back.
I wish I had my iPad.
I'll do anything for you to get your iPad back.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Done.
What? I can't move. You said you wouldn't lift your hand.
Ow. How are you feeling on the handcuffs?
Uncomfortable.
I don't think we should do this.
No, it's okay. I'll do anything for you to get your iPad back.
Are you sure?
Yes, hand me the phone.
Okay. We'll be right over there to protect you, okay?
Okay. I have my gun with me so I can protect myself too.
Okay. Have the phone. We'll stay here to watch out for Kaycee. If the Game Master hurts Kaycee, then we'll shoot. We can see the Game Master, but the Game Master can't see us. Kaycee says it's cold. Let me go see how she's doing. Okay. Kaycee, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You can go back, but I'm just cold.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I just want to get your iPad back.
Oh, okay. Well, be safe. I guess I'll see you later. Bye.
Does that Game Master want his phone back, or does he just want to play a trick and a game on us?
Oh, Game Master's calling.
I told you to lock her out with the phone alone.
Well, I can't trust you, and what if you try to hurt her?
So you don't want your iPad back and your Roblox account?
I don't care. I need to protect her.
Alright, I'll just go and sell your Roblox account and your iPad.
Be it, I'll keep your phone and keep my friends safe. Justin, let's go look for the Game Master. Kaycee! We can let you free now.
I don't know how. Get the key though. Oh, you got it. Why will you free me?
Well, the Game Master wouldn't let us protect you, so we want to go look for the Game Master now. We can't trust him. Let's go look for him.
Okay. Great idea. Where's Justin? Oh, hello. Is he not?
I know he was around our area because he saw us protecting you. Let's go look around.
I think I heard a motorcycle run off.
That must be Game Master.
Probably.
Okay, let's get back in the house. Let's find something to do.
Roblox? Baz, is anything else inside here? No. I don't see anything.
I just see towels. I see some paper.
What?
This one.
What does it say?
It says, if you want your iPad and Roblox account back, you must get to my location to get the secret clue. The location is 369 Game Master Street.
Is it going to be dangerous?
I'm not sure, but we must try. Guys, in the next video, episode 9, we're gonna go get my iPad back. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.